In this lesson, we'll talk about reasons you might want to register with a centralized cryptocurrency exchange, or CEX. We'll talk about what a CEX is, why it is a good idea to register with at least 2 exchanges before you need to use them. We'll learn about Know Your Customer, or KYC, requirements most reputable exchanges comply with and why they exist. We'll look at the danger of leaving your assets on a cryptocurrency exchange for medium or long-term storage, and how to minimize the risk of losing your assets from an exchange. If you want to buy RCAs from the Reddit shop using a debit or credit card and hold them forever, you may not need to register with an exchange. If you want to buy an RCA that has already sold out from the Reddit shop, you will need cryptocurrency to buy it on a secondary marketplace for trading NFTs. In the example shown here, the RCA has been listed for sale on a secondary marketplace called rcax.io. You can see 2 numbers. The top number is the sale price of the RCA in cryptocurrency. The price under it is the equivalent value in US dollars at the time you are looking at the listing. This is given by the marketplace for information purposes only. Any change in the exchange rate between the cryptocurrency and the US dollar won't affect the sale price in cryptocurrency. It will just cause the US dollar value shown to update. To buy this RCA, you will need to connect your cryptocurrency wallet and pay in cryptocurrency. The cheapest way to buy cryptocurrency is using a cryptocurrency exchange. If you hope to sell RCAs, they are generally sold for cryptocurrency. If you ever want to convert this cryptocurrency to fiat currency like dollars or euros, the safest and cheapest way to do it is by using a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. There are 2 broad types of cryptocurrency exchanges: a centralized exchange, also called a CEX, and a decentralized exchange, also called a DEX. Centralized exchanges are used to convert fiat currencies, like dollars, to and from cryptocurrencies. They can also be used to convert from one cryptocurrency to another. Decentralized exchanges are generally only used to convert from one cryptocurrency to another. If you don't have any cryptocurrency, you can't use most decentralized exchanges. You need to convert a fiat currency, like dollars, to a cryptocurrency first. You can do this using a centralized exchange. We only need to worry about centralized exchanges at this stage of the course. A centralized exchange is a business that operates similar to a traditional bank. All transactions go through a central authority. Centralized exchanges are often used when purchasing cryptocurrency using fiat currencies such as dollars or euros, or when selling cryptocurrency for currencies such as dollars or euros. It is very common for reputable exchanges to require its users to meet Know Your Customer, or KYC, requirements in order to use their services. This means you will probably need to go through ID verification so the exchange can comply with legislation to prevent money laundering and terrorist financing. Sometimes it can take some time to get through KYC requirements, so it is a good idea to register with an exchange before you need to use it. Centralized exchanges can become very busy at times of market volatility. It is a good idea to register with at least 2 reputable exchanges in case one of them crashes due to high traffic. I have provided links to centralized exchanges I like and trust in the resources section of this course. A cryptocurrency exchange isn't a bank. Although the ability to exchange between currencies is similar to a bank, there are some key differences. A cryptocurrency exchange doesn't have the same government backing and guarantees of most bank accounts. A trustworthy exchange is an exchange you trust to exchange one asset for another and take custody of that asset as soon as possible afterwards. A lot of people have trusted exchanges as medium or long-term storage for their cryptocurrency, for them to find out later that the exchange was hacked or went bankrupt and all of their assets have been lost. If you use trustworthy exchanges, minimize the amount of time your assets are kept on the exchange, and follow security best practices, the risks to your assets are extremely low. We'll cover security best practices in the course Keeping Your Crypto Assets Safe. Now is a good time to register with exchanges so your application can be processed while you continue with the course. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe and hit that bell to learn more about RCAs, NFTs and crypto.